How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I want to quickly show you guys how you can get yourselves 30 days for free for ExpressVPN. Now, just so that you know, this is a true money back guarantee because, there are a lot of companies or other providers where they say there's a money back guarantee, but it turns out it's actually credit. So they give you credit that you can only use with their services and not actual money back to your bank account. So this is a true money back guarantee. And as they say here, if within 30 days you're not satisfied, all of the plans are actually have a 30-day money back guarantee on them. So no worries at all. You don't have to go for any of the long-term plans. You can just go with the 1 month plan. And if you're not satisfied, you can even just reach the 29th or 30th day and ask them for a money back guarantee, and they won't say no. It truly is a hassle-free money back guarantee. So yeah, there isn't exactly a free trial. You're gonna pay the $13 here, $12.95, roughly $13. And if you're not satisfied, they'll process it within a few days. It depends on your bank. Usually within 3 to 4 business days, you'll get your refund back. A lot of times, even less time than that. So you can even pay in Bitcoin, PayPal, whatever it is that you're trying to pay. But, depending on the service you're using, usually within 2 to 4 business days, you could say you'll get your money back guarantee. So super simple. And, again, if you're not satisfied, you'll get all your money back. ExpressVPN honestly has been just very consistent, and ever since I tried it, I think I don't really like to use any other VPN just because of how little time I have to spend using a VPN. I mean, for me, a VPN, I just want to turn it on and that would be it. I don't want any too many options. I just want to be able to watch Netflix or whatever it is that I'm trying to do safely, securely, and as quickly as possible, and as there's nothing complicated with ExpressVPN, and that's exactly what I like about it. And when it comes to peer-to-peer support or access to as many Netflix libraries as possible, it has the highest support when it comes to geo restrictions and unblocking streaming services. It really does work very, very well. So, if you're interested, actually, I'll leave a review down in the description and you can check that out. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.